Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Not Umayeni spitting facts guys to Umusa about wife number 5 that listen, she is going to be in the same boat that they are currently in. She tells Umusa ukuthi ay lalela mshade khona ugirl azobona ukuthi uhlupha kanjani, ukuthi how problematic are you. Umayeni goes on to say ukuthi ugirl number 5 la ekhona guys uyajabula kanti we usazobona wena, usazobona ama-true colors wakho. Kuyafana nje njengoMbali. Kathi how manje, why is uMbali catching strays here? But anyway, Umayeni is like kuyafana noMbali. It was the same situation like this. Umuntu ezitshela ukuthi mina I'm going to be uMthombeni's wife. I'm going to be uMthombeni's wife and excited. Then umuntu mese engena. It's a different story because this man, apparently Umusa, switches up on these women nje kanjalo. But Umayeni says ukuthi uzonuka naye afane nathi, that she's no special. But anyway, because ugeli emncane kangaka efuna ungena, akazingenele azibonele ke. But there's something that Umusa said in the previous, or one of the previous episodes, or I think it was a trailer of one of the upcoming episodes, that made me think ukuthi hayi man lo baba. He says something about mina ngigugile manje, like I can kick the bucket anytime. I'm like, so if you have the mindset to which you can kick the bucket anytime usugugile, why the heck would you take such a young number 5? Do you understand what I'm saying? Because at least guys, with these 4 women, at least they are established in some sort of way. Mataleke angmazi guys because akasebenzi, but I want to believe that she has something in place that's going to safeguard her if anything happens to Umusa, because we do see Umusa getting sick in this season. Umayeni ke, at least she's working uyazisebenzela. Khumalo guys, we know which she's doing well. She's the celebrity. She's the celebrity of the family, and Umangwabe is a nurse. She's working well. So they are of age to a point that they are kind of settled in their careers in a sense. Ne? But when it comes to wife number 5, guys, she is so young. She is still kind of building her life. So if anything could happen to Umusa, what then happens to her? But anyway, Umusa did assure us. He said one thing that he loves about wife number 5 is that she's quite a smart woman. So if she's quite a smart woman, then that would mean that at least she has a plan to do something for herself. Because Haibo Kelly is so young. But anyway, guys, hey, Umayeni, she did not lie. She did not lie. And one thing I feel like out of all of these wives, I feel like Umayeni has been long enough with Umusa to know Umusa's traits. And listen, he told wife number 5, ukuthi, hey, mina maungena, once your wife angizingeni, you find your feet yourself there within the family. So, hey, girl, wife number 5, we are wishing you all the best, mamas. We can't wait to see you, but hey, girl, go in there with the angazi ukuthi I must say strategy, because ungena kanjani ne-strategy esithembini. I don't know you guys, but at least they have uthando nesithembu, which will be paying them money. But I really need ugirl number 5 to be smart about this thing, because yay, zisazokhala, in Umayemi's own words, ukuthi ugirl is still going to feel the heat, you guys. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.